I'm Colby Henderson, Director of Operations at Comitt Well Solutions, here to give you a little more detailed tour of the Excite system. So the Excite system has a CPR, which is our ball drop disconnect. This disconnect can have varying ball seat sizes, but it's designed for high flow rate for re-acidizing, re-stimulation services. So this section of our Excite BHA is what we call the C-Pack. This particular C-Pack is a ball activated circulation sub. It is designed to mitigate the risk of any debris or sand in the wellbore, potentially causing issues moving the BHA throughout the wellbore. So with this particular C-Pack, you're able to drop a dissolvable ball onto the seat, pressure up to open the C-Pack, circulate any unnecessary debris or unwanted debris off the top of the BHA, regain and be able to move your BHA in circulation. Once your circulation is gained and your debris is cleaned up, we can spot acid onto the dissolvable ball to dissolve the ball, and the system can be returned to its normal operating position and the job can continue as normal. This part of the section of the Excite BHA is the C gauge. The C gauge is a memory gauge carrier. These memory gauges are temperature and pressure recording. They are battery operated, not live data. This data we collect downhole allows us to analyze the efficiency of the treatment as well as confirm the integrity of the Excite system. This section of the BHA is the C gate. The C gate is the injection port. Once enough flow rate is attained in the BHA to set the packers, the C gate will begin to open. The C gate is designed to maintain a differential pressure of 1,000 psi between the ID of the work string and the annulus. This 1,000 psi gives us the ability to vary the flow rate from down to a half a barrel a minute if needed for a tight zone. This section of the BHA is the lower C-Bar Pro. Again, this C-Bar Pro has an element with custom designed backup rings to support the element during stimulation. It also has an integrated vent function. The vent function allows for the variability of flow rate for setting the BHA. This flow rate is custom designed per well and can be varied up until the point of running the BHA into the well. This section of the BHA was very customizable to set up for the flow rate needed for that particular well, even if circumstances of the well change during operations. So this section of the BHA is the C-tap. The C-tap is a flow-through on-off valve. When run in hole, the C-tap is run in the open position, allowing circulation to get to desired setting depth. Once we achieve this desired setting depth, flow rate is increased. The flow rate will build pressure within the C-tap, shutting the C-tap. Once the C-tap is closed, the vent is closed, and the packers are set, stimulation will begin flowing out the C gate and the treatment can be pumped.